Hey, welcome back to Hidden Classic Deals. I'm John Statham, and today we're checking out classic cars under $8,000. Some may need a little work, but they all have potential. Let's get started.
1969 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed. 1969 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed is the kind of classic pickup that proves an honest old truck can still steal the spotlight. With an asking price, $7,800, this vintage Chevy offers a solid combination of drivability, classic styling, and room for a few finishing touches. Located in Xenia, Ohio, it features an attractive green exterior matched with a green interior that perfectly captures the look of late 1960s American trucks. Under the hood sits a dependable 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and according to the seller, the truck runs and drives great enough to be taken just about anywhere. It also comes equipped with factory-style air conditioning that only needs a belt after being converted for modern refrigerant. Several upgrades are already waiting for installation, including brand new carpet and interior trim still in their original boxes. New tires, and a fresh dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers give this pickup an aggressive sound that matches its classic appearance. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser, local show truck, or dependable vintage hauler, this Chevrolet delivers classic V8 charm with excellent everyday usability. 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Station Wagon. 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Station Wagon reminds everyone why full-size wagons continue earning respect among classic car fans. Offered at price $8,000, this old-school Chevy blends originality with carefully selected upgrades, making it a standout choice for collectors who appreciate practical classics with plenty of personality. Located in Loves Park, Illinois, the wagon has remained impressively clean and rust-free, helping preserve its timeless American family car appeal. One of the biggest highlights is the recently installed GM crate engine, giving the wagon fresh power while maintaining Chevrolet reliability. A dual stainless steel exhaust system adds a deep, aggressive sound that turns this comfortable cruiser into something much more exciting. The seller describes the vehicle as mostly original aside from those performance improvements, while its low mileage further adds to its desirability. Station wagons from this era have become increasingly difficult to find in such clean condition, making this one especially attractive for enthusiasts searching for something different from the usual muscle car. Whether cruising to local shows, enjoying weekend road trips, or adding a unique survivor to your collection, this Caprice wagon offers vintage practicality wrapped in unmistakable Chevrolet style. 1969 Chevrolet C10. 1969 Chevrolet C10 is the kind of project truck that sparks endless ideas the moment you see it. Listed at an attractive price, $6,000, this classic pickup offers a strong mechanical foundation along with enormous aftermarket support, making it an excellent choice for builders and enthusiasts alike. Located in New Lenox, Illinois, the truck features a green exterior with a gray interior and comes with a clean title, giving buyers a solid starting point for their next custom project. Power comes from a dependable small-block Chevrolet 350 V8 backed by a durable TH400 automatic transmission. It also features a rugged Ford 9-inch rear axle, a popular upgrade known for strength and reliability. Whether you prefer keeping the traditional small-block setup or planning a modern LS engine swap, this truck is ready for almost any direction you choose. The seller highlights its classic body style and notes that these C10 pickups continue increasing in value as demand grows. Perfect for building a street cruiser, pro touring truck, or weekend hot rod, this Chevrolet offers outstanding versatility and the timeless styling that has made the C10 one of America's most beloved classic pickups. 1969 Chevrolet Nova. 1969 Chevrolet Nova proves that even a restoration project can hold incredible potential for the right enthusiast. Offered at price $7,850, this factory 4-speed Nova provides an exciting opportunity to revive one of Chevrolet's most respected muscle car platforms. Located in Owensville, Kentucky, the car wears a white exterior and comes with a title in hand, making it an appealing starting point for anyone planning a serious restoration. Although currently a roller requiring a complete rebuild, the seller includes several valuable new replacement parts that can save both time and money during the restoration process. These include 2 brand new quarter panels, 2 new floor pans, a new front bumper, and a brand new rear seat. Factory 4-speed Novas have become increasingly desirable among collectors thanks to their lightweight body, simple design, and impressive performance potential. Whether your vision is a factory-correct restoration, an aggressive street machine, or a high-powered drag car, this Nova offers an outstanding foundation. The seller is also open to trades or reasonable offers, giving buyers additional flexibility to bring home this iconic Chevrolet project and transform it into something truly special. 1968 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D. 1968 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D proves that big block luxury never goes out of style, especially when it comes wrapped in timeless Chevrolet design. With an asking price $6,500, this full-size hardtop offers an exciting opportunity for anyone searching for a rewarding classic project with plenty of original equipment still intact. Located in Owasso, Oklahoma, the Caprice features a handsome green exterior matched by a green interior that perfectly captures late 1960s American elegance. Under the hood sits the original 396 big block V8 paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and factory air conditioning. The seller reports the engine runs strong after receiving a rebuilt carburetor, new spark plugs, and a new starter. Although it is not currently a road-ready driver, only a little additional work is needed before enjoying weekend cruises again. The frame remains solid, the floors are in decent shape, and the interior is complete with recovered seats and a factory AM/FM radio. Equipped with Craigar-style wheels, newer tires, and a Florida title, this Caprice offers outstanding restoration potential while preserving its authentic big block Chevrolet heritage. 1979 Ford Ranchero. 1979 Ford Ranchero is one of those unique classics that blends the comfort of a car with the usefulness of a pickup, creating a vehicle that's always guaranteed to stand out. Offered at an attractive price, $6,000, this rare Ranchero is an excellent candidate for someone looking for an affordable classic that can still be driven while improvements are made. Located in Marion, Illinois, the vehicle presents itself as a solid survivor with plenty of vintage Ford personality. According to the seller, the Ranchero runs and drives well, but currently needs some brake work. The issue may be as simple as bleeding the brakes or replacing the master cylinder, making it a relatively inexpensive repair for many hobbyists. Because the truck is already operational, it offers the chance to enjoy it while gradually restoring it over time. The seller even suggests it would make a great father and son project, adding another layer of appeal for families interested in classic vehicles. Rancheros from the late 1970s have become increasingly uncommon, making this solid example a great opportunity to own a practical piece of Ford history with plenty of future potential. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 brings together classic full-size styling, big block performance, and plenty of restoration potential in one impressive package. Priced at $8,000, this vintage Ford offers an honest opportunity for enthusiasts who appreciate large American cruisers with plenty of character. Located in Cross Plains, Indiana, the car features a bold red exterior matched by a red interior, and comes with a clean title for added peace of mind. Power comes from a desirable 390 big block V8 backed by an automatic transmission. The seller explains that the Galaxie runs, drives, and stops, although it should be towed because the engine timing needs adjustment and the new carburetor requires fine-tuning. Considerable maintenance has already been completed, including a rebuilt braking system, new master cylinder, new fuel tank, sending unit, fresh ignition components, and an oil change. The body remains solid overall, with only minor attention needed around the rear quarter panels and bumper. Floor pans and trunk are reported to be in respectable condition. Whether restored or enjoyed as a classic weekend cruiser, this Galaxie offers timeless Ford style and strong investment potential. 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D. 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D is proof that a classic cruiser can have modern muscle hiding beneath its vintage body. With an asking price, $7,000, this stylish Cutlass offers a fun combination of dependable performance and unmistakable 1970s character. Located in Muskegon, Michigan, it wears a sharp blue exterior and is already running and driving, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts who want a classic they can enjoy immediately. Instead of its original engine, this Cutlass now features a 350 Chevrolet V8 sourced from a 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe. The fuel injection has been professionally converted to a carburetor, and the engine is paired with a recently installed turbo 350 automatic transmission. The seller also notes that the motor received new gaskets from the oil pan upward, helping ensure dependable operation. A posy rear end adds extra traction, while the interior remains impressively clean with white seats, an uncracked dashboard, and even a ceiling-mounted television. Only a few minor cosmetic touches remain. For anyone seeking an affordable, customized classic with reliable V8 power, this Oldsmobile is ready to hit the road. 1989 Ford Mustang GT. 1989 Ford Mustang GT has all the ingredients to become an exciting project or weekend performance car for the next enthusiast. Carrying an attractive price, $4,000, this Fox body Mustang presents an affordable opportunity to own one of Ford's most recognizable performance icons. Located in Jackson, Michigan, the listing identifies the vehicle as being in good overall condition, making it an interesting option for buyers searching for a budget-friendly American classic. While the seller provides only limited information, Fox body Mustangs continue to grow in popularity thanks to their lightweight construction, simple mechanical design, and massive aftermarket support. These cars are well known for being easy to restore, customize, or upgrade for street performance. Whether your goal is building a clean original GT, creating a modern Restomod, or assembling a weekend track machine, the platform offers endless possibilities. Their growing collector status has also helped values steadily increase over the years. With its affordable asking price and iconic styling, this Mustang GT offers an excellent opportunity to step into classic Ford ownership while leaving plenty of room in the budget for future upgrades and personal customization. 1971 Chevrolet C10. 1971 Chevrolet C10 is the kind of pickup that instantly makes you imagine long weekend cruises and local car shows. Offered at price, $7,000, this classic Chevy combines proven V8 performance with timeless styling that continues to make the C10 one of America's favorite vintage trucks. Located in Kokomo, Indiana, it features an eye-catching orange exterior paired with a black interior, creating a bold look that perfectly complements its muscular personality. Under the hood sits a dependable 350 V8 connected to a manual transmission, giving drivers a more engaging classic truck experience. The seller reports that the truck runs and drives great while producing a deep, aggressive tone through its dual exhaust system. With only 2 owners and both a clean title and paid-off status, it has clearly been appreciated throughout its life. The owner is open to trades, but admits it would take something truly special to let this truck go. Whether you're searching for a dependable weekend cruiser, a local show vehicle, or a solid investment-grade classic pickup, this 1971 Chevrolet C10 delivers timeless appeal, reliable performance, and unmistakable American truck character. 1972 Ford Galaxie 500. 1972 Ford Galaxie 500 proves you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy a full-size American classic with genuine character. Carrying an attractive price, $3,000, this vintage Ford is an affordable cruiser that's perfect for someone who appreciates honest classics with plenty of personality. Located in Bedford, Indiana, the Galaxie features a black exterior and comes with a clean title, making it an appealing option for buyers searching for an inexpensive V8 project that can already be enjoyed. Power comes from a dependable 351 V8 paired with an automatic transmission and factory air conditioning, giving this big Ford the smooth ride these cars are known for. According to the seller, the Galaxie runs well despite its rough appearance, making it an ideal driver while future cosmetic improvements are completed. Recent maintenance includes a new headlight switch, lower steering box shaft seals, 2 new tires, and a GM HEI distributor upgrade for improved reliability. Originally serving the Johnston County, South Carolina Alcohol Beverage Commission, the car also carries an interesting piece of history. Whether you're after a comfortable weekend cruiser, a budget-friendly restoration project, or simply a classic with plenty of smiles per gallon, this Galaxie delivers timeless Ford the 5th charm at an affordable price.